Gems are truly outrageous. Truly, truly outrageous. Yeah. How do I play Sona? Going AP. Only you can hear me, Summoner.
Never fear change.
30 seconds.
How does Sona work?
Never again will I
You
sit.
press all the buttons.
All the buttons?
Yeah, all the buttons.
So if I roll my face across the keyboard, we win things, right? Is that what I'm hearing? Alright, go in there. Wait, no, I'm 80. See what I'm talking about.
The
Your
answer
80s.
lies within.
Something. Oh, God.
Don't go back.
We must all make our choices. Gaia na kiri.
Oh, I would. Mine first.
Ah!
We have
What?
learned as much
What?
as we have suffered.
Thank you for your support, my friend. The minions! Don't forget the minions! Fuck!
Oh, yeah. Those things. Minions! Minions, no!
Act with conviction.
No!
You know who sounds greedy right now? You know who's greedy right now? Come here. Come here. I gotta heal. I gotta heal.
No!
Never
heal.
again will I
Have it.
sit.
No!
I have it. See? You're lying. I'm being supportive. Baby, baby, baby.
Oh,
Oh.
No!
No?
No!
Never falter.
Ow. Okay, you made your point. I don't do the damages yet. I have no mana or I would heal you. I have mana.
Challenge what you know.
I'm gonna play this this instrument here and go B. I'm gonna be like Tom and Cruise. What does this build into? Frostfang. I don't know what the fuck that does, but I'm buying it.
Alright, try to kill someone. No!
Yeah. Yeah.
Heart and mind as one.
That happened. Ah!
Has been slain.
Heal yourself. I said heal, not...
Are you ready? You ready?
Wait,
None will
wait.
question our
Minions in the
resolve.
way.
Unstoppable.
Okay, go.
Okay, go. I'm like pretty much dead.
To conquer oneself is to conquer. Sa Elisad Kiri.
There we go.
An enemy.
I've accepted my revenge.
Ah!
Gaia na kiri.
No!
These guys are like chit-chatting it up about the new Soraka.
Never again.
And I'm over here playing AP Sona. Wow, you hit hard.
Focus. Heart and mind.
I need it. Oh, you sounding so
The answer
quiet.
lies within.
I was concentrating. I wanted to kill that zillion.
Destroyed a turret.
Oh.
I tried so hard,
Focus.
and yet so fun. But in the end, it doesn't even matter.
No matter the cost.
That's my rendition of Linkin Park. Thank you. Thank you. I'll be here all week. I kind of want to buy a Zir.
He's okay. He's a cute pigeon.
He's a cute pigeon.
Legendary.
Never falter.
Where is he?
Really?
Challenge.
Oh, there he is.
Okay.
Dude, I am so awesome at this game. I stunned minions. Well, hello there, cutie.
Never fear change.
What?
What? God, I can't even say my own girlfriend's cute.
We
She
must
questions
all
it.
make our choices.
Lucian.
Latviano.
Fuck!
The answer lies within.
Going ham.
Don't do it.
Will
I missed my ultimate.
Never fear
Top lane
change.
needs our assistance.
No.
Peace.
Go in top lane.
You like top a lot, don't you?
See, I could go down either the sexual route with that comment, or league terms.
Oh my god.
My spirit
But in
is
terms of league,
unquenchable
then
fire.
yes, I do enjoy being in top lane.
Never falter.
Meowskers.
You're gonna do that every time you get a kill.
Heart and mind.
Yeah, duh. My name is kind of awesome. You see that? It's freaking adorable. I should play like only Nidalee and Rengar. Like that is it.
Sa Elisad Tiriri.
Don't hit him, don't hit him, don't hit him, don't hit him.
Through me. Peace.
Yeah.
Goodbye. I'm sorry, I shielded you. You didn't want to go.
I got knocked up.
By force of will.
And it's a boy.
Wait, what the fuck?
To
Yeah.
conquer oneself is to
I'm
conquer
horrible at Sona.
all.
Never let me play Sona again. Flex.
Victory.
I could have done better. But still.
It's alright, you're sleepy.